Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about this iron door and these two little bushings. So here we have this custom iron door that I designed from Lion Iron Entries in Nashville, Tennessee. Say that 5 times really quick. Driving me nuts just thinking about it. It's 8 foot tall, 5 feet wide. This actually comes with these windows that can open, which I think is a really cool feature. It makes it easier to clean as well. But what I wanted to actually talk about is these doors can stick, meaning they can stick on the top, they can stick on the bottom when you open them. And if that happens, usually this door was not installed properly, but I will say metal does contract when it gets really cold. It's a lot better than wooden doors because wooden doors expand and contract and also get beat up by the sun. But what I wanted to show you is if it sticks, how to fix it. This door itself has welded hinges. And welded hinges, as you can see, the hinge itself is welded to the door and this hinge is welded to the frame. And how to fix something is you remove these bushings right here, or you add the bushings together and that will raise or lower the door itself. So that is how you fix a door that sticks, that's iron. And I personally believe these doors are way better than wood for various reasons. And we'll go to those in the day. But I hope that solves the problem if you're wondering how to fix an iron door that sticks with welded hinges. Well, I hope that you liked what you saw in the YouTube video today. It's short, sweet, simple, how to deal with an iron door that sticks with welded hinges. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button or jump in the comments. I'd love to hear from y'all. Thanks. Cheers.